Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add an anchor in Wix Studio. So first is you have to open any of your site in your Wix Studio, and then once you're here, all you have to do is to click on that specific cell or specific section that you want to add an anchor. Okay, so for example, this cell, so you just have to click on it and then click on this arrow at the top right of your screen. Okay, this one, and then scroll down until you can see the anchor. And then you just have to toggle this switch right here and then scroll down and you'd be able to see here the anchor name. So you just have to change the name of your anchor. For example, anchor one. Then after that, let me add a new anchor. Okay, so I think I'll be using this one right here. So you just have to do the same. Just click on the arrow at the top right and then scroll down and you have to turn on the anchor. And you'd be able to see this anchor name right here. Just have to type out the name of your anchor. And then next we are going to add a new section so that we can add there the buttons for our anchor. Okay, so let me just add a section. Then after that, you just have to add a button. So just click on the add elements option at the top right and then click on the buttons. There right here you have different basic buttons. So I'll be using this template. Then just click on settings and then just have to type out here the text. So this is anchor one. And after that, we are going to add here the link of the anchor one. Okay, so just click on the link and then click on anchor. Then here, which page? So here. And then next, select if which anchor. So of course, this is anchor one and then click on done. Okay, so let's add another button. So I'll be using a different template for the button 2 or the anchor 2. So let me just change the text. So anchor 2, and then here we are going to add the link. So you just do the same, click on anchor, which page, and which anchor. And then after that, we are going to preview this page or this site if the anchors are working. So when someone click on this button right here, they'd be directed to that specific anchor. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.